Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I'm still playing around with doing 3D in different shapes. And this eagle is really little, so I think if you ran it bigger, it would actually be more. I mean, it's really pretty good. First attempt, I did it two different ways. I did it black to white and then white to black, and that one didn't come out too good, but it's kind of distinguished the feathers and the tail, and I didn't take a good picture of that, but Uh, all I did was take a piece of clip art of an eagle and just a word of warning, make it kind of little, like this thing is, because the bigger it is, the longer it's going to take Corel Draw to do the line. So we've got a half point line. We're going to, and if you haven't watched this, I've got several videos on 3D. We're going to contour 0.001 to the center, which makes like a bunch of steps, and we're going to go from black to white and hit apply. And even at this small, it takes Corel a little bit of time, but if you do it like huge, it's going to take several minutes. And then once it's done, you can make it any size you want. And it's still going to take a little bit of time because there's a lot going on here. There's a lot of layers, but you can get a pretty good look. I mean, a little bit different than a standardized, just a black eagle. And anyway, give it a shot. Try it out. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.